School English Broadcast.
School English Broadcast.
Hello everyone. At school, we learn, play and have fun. So, don't waste your time. Our broadcast today is making every second special. Don't miss a word. Here we go.
The Science Spot.
Did you know?
The Japanese passport is the world's most powerful passport. It grants visa-free access to 190 countries of the world.
Did you know?
The brain is much more active at night than during daytime. International proverbs.
Save money and money will save you.
Jamaican proverb.
Praise loudly, blame softly.
Russian proverb.
The English Spot.
5 ways to say I understand.
Got it.
Okay, I get it now.
That's clear.
I take your point.
That makes sense.
The word of the day.
No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers.
We hope you enjoyed our broadcast. We wish you happy and useful time at school. Bye for now.